Okay, hi everyone, it's Angie, Dizzy at DizzyfishArt. Tonight I want to try and do a blowout on a black background using some ultramarine blue with interference silver. I don't know if you guys can see the color. Kind of like a cobalt blue with the silver in it. It lightened it up a little bit, so we'll see what it looks like when it dries. And then this turquoise that I still have, this dark metallic turquoise that I mixed. These are both, excuse me, the ultramarine blue is Liquitex Basics and Let's Resin Interference Silver powder and some Liquitex Gloss Varnish and Bare Interior Exterior Enamel is what I use to make all my interference colors. I just mix them up ahead of time with the enamel and the gloss and have them set aside so that I can add them in with my paints. This one is, I think, Master's Touch and Liquitex Basics because I mixed the primary yellow with ultramarine blue to make that. And also the silver in here is Master's Touch. So those three mixed to make this color. And then I have violet with interference pink. And I have a little bit of primary yellow. I don't think I'm going to use it, but it is on standby. Okay, so I've already put down black, and this is Amsterdam OXIDE black on the canvas. I want to just lay down some white for my dark colors to sit in and blow it out, and I just want to see what it looks like. It's just an idea. I want to see if I can get these colors to pop up against the black, because I really love metallic blues and purples and teals with black. So, but I don't want to put yellow on here, so we're going to see what we can do. So I'm thinking just a zigzag sort of line, or maybe two corners. I think I'll do two corners. So I'm going to start out with white, just going across the corner in a semicircle. I'm going to use this white to try and make everything else pop. Do it again on this corner. Okay, and that's what I'll use to lay my colors into. I got little drops of white on there. It's okay. Okay, so let's start with the violet. Let's lay that right into the white. Don't necessarily want to go over the edge with it because I may need to blow over that white or use some of that white to make it. Oh, darn it, it fell off the side there. That's okay. Okay, we'll try to keep this one in the center more. This is the blue on top of the violet. And then we'll finish it off with some turquoise. You know what? Actually, I'm going to put a couple more drops of white in just to make sure this will stand out. The purple and the blue together. The violet and the blue. Okay, and then turquoise on top of those. This turquoise is so pretty with the purple, with the violet. Okay, I'm gonna torch it real quick for air. Y'all, I always have something in my paints that I have to dig out with tweezers, but that's fine. Get out of there. Okay, it's gone. All right, let's see what we can do. Hair dryer on low and with the cold shot button in. Here we go. Wow, those colors are showing up really well. I think I'm going to push some more on this side. Okay, I like that. I don't know if I want to do the same thing on the other side. And turn it around this way without dropping it. I almost want to like blow this one this way. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, let's try blowing this way and then this way and seeing if we can kind of meet that on the other side instead of blowing into it. Just not even, I want to blow really slowly so that I can control where the petals are going. Blow that down just a little bit more. Yeah, like this. This is a good starting point. Now I'm going to grab a straw and blow some of the parts in that I don't like sticking out or that don't look as much like a petal that I want them to. There's some really cool cells happening here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's some right here. Amazing. I want to see if I can get some more because there's some more white underneath here. And that's Amsterdam's titanium white, and it just cells and laces so pretty. Let's see what I can do. Not much lacing. I am trying to soften the edges a little bit with the straw. And also give it a little more shape, more like a petal. Okay, I like that. And I'll do something with this. And get my little palette knife out. Oh no, she's missing. Oh, here she is. All right. You guys know I love my wispies, so wispying it up. I just love how they make everything look so delicate and almost like it's flying off, like molecules are coming off. I love that look. Okay, what am I gonna do with this right here? This, I'm gonna try and drag down this way. Make a little stem on it. Get a little more paint.